Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn about 3D rotations in Unity and how we can use code to rotate a 3D object. So let's get started. First of all, I'll create a 3D object. Let's create a cube. Let's change the position of the cube so that it's visible in the camera. Then we'll create a new script. Let's call this Rotator. Open up the script. Once the script is open, we'll create a public load rotation speed variable and give it the speed of 50 by default. Then in the update function, we are going to rotate the object. So we are going to say transform.rotate. We want to rotate around the y-axis. So for the x, I'll give it a value of 0. For the y, I will give it the rotation speed multiplied time dot delta time. And for the z, I'll also give it a value of 0. You can change these values if you want to rotate it around the x and the z-axis as well. But for now, we are only going to rotate it around the y-axis. Save the script, go back to Unity, and attach the script to the cube object. Hit the play button. You can see our object is rotating around the y-axis. Now, if I do the same for the rotation speed multiplied time dot delta time for the x-axis as well, go back to the editor and hit the play button. My object will rotate around the x and the y-axis. You can play around with these values to get the rotation of your choice and have some fun with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.